Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amalia Agustin. I want to speak hemorrhagic stroke. Hemorrhagic stroke is bleeding due to rupture of blood vessels in certain areas of the brain. This condition causes the blood flow in that area to decrease. Without a supply of oxygen carried by the blood, brain cells can quickly die so that brain function is disrupted. Autistic intellectual disability care concept continued as needed to keep the patient's condition stable. Pain relievers can also be given to patients to relieve headaches. However, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and NSAIDs are not recommended in hemorrhagic stroke patients because they can worsen bleeding. Laxatives can also be given to prevent the patient from straining too hard during a bowel movement, which can increase the pressure inside the head. After the patient consequent hand return, rehabilitation therapy can be carried out as soon as possible post-stroke. Therapy can be done includes physiotherapy, occupational therapy, or talk therapy. These therapy are not only carried out in the hospital but also need to be continued even after the patient has returned home. Complication of hemorrhagic stroke. Patients with hemorrhagic stroke are at risk for serious complication. This complication and occur within days or weeks after a stroke occurs. Some of the complications that often occur are hydrocephalus, which is a build-up of fluid in the brain. Then car increase pressure inside the head and damage brain time. Brain tissue vacuum, which is a narrowing of blood vessels that can reduce the flow of blood that carries oxygen to the brain. Hemorrhagic stroke is back seizures. Disorders due to brain damage can also be difficult for patients for a long time, ever and a lifetime. Disturbances that could be caused be care, inability to move body parts atau paralysis, numbness, or weakness in any part of the body, long-term headache, visual disturbance, difficulty speaking or understanding, spoken or written words, disturbances in thinking and remembering, difficulty swallowing, eating, or drinking, so personality change or emotional disturbance. So disturbance is thinking and remembering, difficulty swallowing, eating, or drinking, personality change or emotional disturbance. The above disorders can have a major impact on the quality of life of sufferers and their families. So, in addition, the disorder can also cause other complications such as deep vein thrombosis due to being unable to move for a long time, malnutrition due to difficulty swallowing from food, aspiration pneumonia due to cooking when trying to eat, anxiety and depression which and develop as a result of emotional disturbance. Even so, not all hemorrhagic stroke sufferers experience to about disorders for life. This condition can improve with regular check up with a doctor and undergoing post-stroke rehabilitation therapy. Prevention of hemorrhagic stroke. Hemorrhagic stroke can be prevented by avoiding the factor that That some things that can be don't care. So, controlling high blood pressure, hypertension, using drugs prescribed by a doctor, and living a healthy lifestyle that is recommended. Regulate your diet and adopt a healthy diet by eating foods that contain less bad cholesterol and saturated fat. Eat foods that are rich fiber, vitamins, and minerals such as fruit and vegetables. Maintain ideal body weight, exercise regularly, perform regular checks to ensure blood to normal. So avoid things that can trigger blood pressure to rise, such as smoking and consuming alcohol beverage. Hemorrhagic strokes can also be caused by a head injury. Therefore, be careful when doing activities inside or outside the house. For example, for the one, always wear a helmet and obey traffic rules when riding a motorcycle. If you are driving car, wear a seat belt and be careful be when driving. Okay. And the last maybe just it from me. And the last wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.